Hi guys, today I'm gonna fix my car Mercedes-Benz C300 and I bought this on Amazon worth $25 only guys, and we're gonna open the hood first and I'll show you how to replace the air vent tube or um, air vent tube engine intake hose guys. Here you go. Follow me and give me a like if you like the video guys. This is a tutorial for Madam E Vlogs USA Facebook page and a YouTube channel. Madam E Vlogs USA and YouTube channel. Follow me guys. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna put the gloves, then there you go. Look at that. It's already broke. It's a little bit hard guys because I'm using only one hand. Because I'm using my other hand to hold my camera. So let's try. Hi guys, we're gonna fix the engine vent guys. The vent hose. Help me out, help me out. So gonna remove this one. I have to take this one. Take this one out and I have the replacement here guys. Here is the replacement of this. Trying to fix my car. See that? That's the replacement. See, that's the left one. There's a left. So that and this.
You're doing the repairs yourself?
Yeah, I can do it. I did already some of it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow. Impressive.
You just remove this one and just put this one on because this one is already old. See, this is broken. Look. They broke it when they're trying to change this oil. And it's old anyway. So I'm just gonna look. See how old that is.
Saving yourself a lot of money.
I know. How about that?
Probably charge you $300 or $400.
Yep. I'll just do it myself. Okay guys, we'll try to remove it now. I'm not that strong to push this. Oh, sure. That we took that off. We can just wait a minute. This one is not good also, so see that? I'm just gonna replace the whole thing guys. We're gonna push this. There's a lock in there. I'm gonna push the lock. See that lock? Okay. Alright. Okay, there you go. So push this one in. Alright. We're gonna push this one in. This is a brand new. Okay. Push it in there. I'm gonna take this off also. Okay, see, out, and then we can just stick there. Stick in there. There's a brand new vent. Okay, that's a brand new vent, and then just push. Alright guys, we almost did it. Okay, just push. Push, push, push. Here we go. Just push in there. There's a lock. See this, like a Lego. Okay, I will do that last one. We're going to the second one. This one, I have to take this off. You don't need a mechanic, just do it yourself. And then push that like a lock. Okay. Push the lock. Okay, push it. I'm not that strong. Okay. I'm struggling. I need 2 hands, guys. Oh! I did it. Okay, almost there. One more. We need to remove this, guys. Okay, got it. Whew. All right, now this is the left one, the right one. Just stick it in there, guys. There you go. That's the bent hose. Oh, okay. Okay. Whew, that's hard. And it's 6 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm trying to finish it, guys, before we're gonna fix this and put it there together. Alright, guys, I'll do that because I need 2 hands. Gosh. Alright, that's it. I need 2 hands, guys. Okay, that's all, guys. I need to click that one there. Okay, done. Ah, see how brand new that is? This trash. That's trash. Done, done, done. Thank you for watching, everybody. My vent hose is, I'm gonna change this next time. This is only around $100, just this cover alone. Still okay. Just it doesn't lock. Okay, guys, let me finish this one, guys. That's all, guys. I just click that one there and that's it. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Mwah! Pa-like naman guys. Can you like and follow me if you like my video? So my algorithm will go up, please. I need 1,000,000 views. Charot. Alright. Thank you for watching, everybody. That's my sport car. I love this car, guys. I have it for what? 7 years now. Okay. Let me lock this one. Push. I'm just like a man. We're gonna push, 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 push. One, two, three. Oh, wow, good job. That's it. That's all you do. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Finish. We're gonna do the other side, guys. That's the bent hose, replacing a bent hose, everybody. Give me a like and share my video. If you like my video, you can learn from me from fixing your car. Okay, we're just gonna fix this one, guys. Ay, ay, ay. Tulo ng uhog. Ben. Tulo ng uhog ah. Tulong ng, you're gonna use the fork, knife. Okay, got it. Oh, done. How about that? What a clean bent. Finish. Finish. Thank you for watching, everybody. See how nice that is? Oh, brand new. Oh, brand new. Call it, where is it? Air vent tube or air intake hose. Okay. Thank you for watching, everybody. Bye. Close. Oh. Bye, everybody. I'm done. Just gonna fix our mess. Okay. All the mess must have to be in. Okay. Let's see if my car is still starting, guys. Did I break it? Did I break it? Oh, I don't have the key. But it's okay, guys. Just only the hose. I'm sure it's working. Oh, the key is there. Okay, let's do it. Ooh, it's working. I didn't kill my car yet. Bye guys, thank you for watching. Baboos. Oh, matanda na itong baterya niya, no? Kaya gumana. Bye!